let me introduce myself. I am Abhishek Pali and my friend Rintu Hadi. We are making a project on walkie-talkie. There have two pair. Have one pair. There have two circuits. One transmitter, one FM transmitter, and one FM receiver. And there have a same two circuits. One FM transmitter and one FM receiver. There have one FM transmitter which connected here one to the one FM receiver, and there are one FM transmitter circuit which connected here one FM receiver circuit. Its walkie-talkie range near about 30 meter, and there have antennas. Whatever antennas we are maybe use, dipole or wire. We are using here wire antenna, but it is not connected to each other. It is wireless. Example. Here it operates 88.7 to 98.5 megahertz frequency range. Let's see example that if I talk to here, example voice input here, there have a microphone which input the transmitter. Here we talk hello, then its voice transmit to this pair for receiver. Hello. Let's see that hello, which transmitter receive the same case occurred in this pair if he is say example that hello. Here voice we are hearing that. So it is our project and walkie-talkie, wireless walkie-talkie. There is antenna. It is maybe